video is presented to you by Canadian Gundam. $10 flat rate shipping from coast to Canadian coast. Now also shipping to the United States.
Hey everybody, it's Chris from Gunpla Network with your Gunpla Network news for April 1st, 2018. Bandai has released a bunch of kits, so let's get into it. The first kit is a figure Rise collection. It's the Labo Fumina Hoshino, and it looks as though she's enjoying a day at the beach. This kit will be released June 2018 for a price of 59.40 yen. Alright, the next kit we have is quite amazing. It's from 0083 Stardust Memories. It's the Fumina RX78 GP01 Full Burner Bust. This kit will be released September 2018 for a price of 32,400 yen. The next kit in our list is the HGUC1144 RX160 Byarlant. This kit will be released in July 2018, and the price has yet to be announced. Next, we have the HGBD1144 Leo NPD. This kit will be released June 2018 for a price of 1,200 yen. The next kit on our list is the HGBD1144 Gira Giraruka. I've probably said that wrong. And it will be released June 2018 for a price of 1,800 yen. Next kit in our list is a P Bandai kit. It is the EX06A00 Quan-T Full Saber. This is a nice looking SD kit from what I can tell, and it will be released July 2018 for a price of 29.16 yen. Next we have a kit that a lot of people have been waiting for, is the P Bandai HG1144 Gundam TR-6 Woundwort. This kit will be released June 2018 with a price of 1944 yen. And the last kit for this week's news is the P Bandai MG Gundam X3 unit. This kit will be released July 2018 with a price of 43.20 yen. And now it's time for the top 5 builds of the week made by the Gunpla Network Facebook members. This week in 5th place we have Andy Chui and his MG Zeta Custom Version Ka. In 4th place, we have Ipoi Kasayuran and his Barbatos Diorama. In third place, we have Alex Wijaya and his HGTO Local Type G3 color. And in second place, we have Alessandro Milo Mellini and his model Comprehend. And in first place, we have Marin Wolf and her custom Giara Zulu. And now it's time for the Gunpla Network updates. On YouTube, we had a first look at the P Bondi HGBF1144 High New Gundam Influx. And then we followed up with a full review of the P Bondi HGBF High New Influx Gundam. We did a unboxing of the MG1100 Strike Noir. And then we had Lance Wen and Mike Ta provide us with some news on the 8th Gunpla pod. We had a first look at the HGUC 1144 Jag Daga, and then we had an unboxing of the HGUC 1144 Jag Daga. That's it for this week's Gunpla news. Hopefully we're all having fun building kits. Have a great week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube videos, and have a great day.